How to log out your account in Battle Prime. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily log out. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, tap on Settings. So now, we're in the Settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find different options and customize it. Here, swipe right and simply tap on this other button. Basically, this is the account section. Here on the right bottom, tap on Logout. So in order to log out, first make sure you have your user ID and password saved, because if you log out, you might need it again. Now simply tap on OK. Now let's wait for some time, and as you can see, we are in this login page. We are successfully out now. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.